Hello everyone, today we will learn how to add vertically two numbers made of 3 digits each. Okay, let's start. Set up and perform 215 plus 541. First, I should write ones, tens and hundred above each number. Okay, and then I put 100 tens and ones like this. Okay, after separating 100 tens and ones with columns. Okay, I will start with the first number. Here, 215 is made of 5 ones, of 1 ten, and of 2 hundreds. Okay, and then what? And then I write the plus sign, and then the second number, it's made of 1 1, 4 tens, and what? And 500. Great. Okay, so if I want to receive the ones and the tens and the hundred, each one alone, I will remove the horizontal line and they will fall all into their places. I had 5 ones and 1 1, it's 6 1. Okay, and for the tens, I had 1 10 plus 4 10, it's 5 tens. Okay, and for the hundred, I had 200 plus 500, it's 700. Okay, so when I add two numbers, I add the ones with the ones, the tens with the tens, and the hundred with the hundred. Okay, so the answer is 756. Great. Now let's write the same example without using the blocks, okay? So I will put 100 tens and ones and separate them properly. I start with the first number, 215. I put 5 in the ones, 1 in the tens, and 2 below the hundreds, okay? Then I put the plus sign, and then I have what? 541. 1 for the ones, and 4 for the tens, and 5 for the hundred. Great. Now remember, when I calculate, I always start with the ones. Great. So 5 plus 1, 5 is the greater. I put 5 on my hand and 1 on my finger. After 5, 6. Great. So now let's move on to the tens. I have 1 and 4. I put 4 on my head and 1 on my finger. After 4, 5. So I write 5 in the tens. Great. Now let's do the hundreds. It's the same, okay? I have 5 plus 2. I put 5 on my head and 2 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7. Great. So I write 7. You see, the answer is 756. Great. Now let's do this example. I have 215 plus 41. I don't have 100 in here. Okay, never mind. I always start writing 100 tens and ones and separating them properly. Great. I start with the first number, 215. 5 in the ones, 1 for the tens, and 2 for the hundreds, and then 1. And then I write the plus sign, okay, and then the second number, it's 41. Pay attention, 41 is made of ones and tens. I have no 100. I start with the ones. I have 1 1 and 4 tens, and the hundreds I can put 0. Great. Now let's start calculating. I start always with the ones. 5 plus 1, I put 5 on my head, 1 on my finger. After 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Great. Now what? Now let's move on to the tens. 4 plus 1, I put 4 on my head and 1 on my finger. After 4, 5. Great. So the answer is 5. And for the hundred, it's easy. 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0, it's 2. Great. So the answer is 256. I write 256. Excellent, everyone. Now here's a harder example. I have 219 plus 541. Okay, I will start with the first number. It's 219. 9 for the ones, 1 for the tens, and 2 for the hundreds. And then I put the plus sign. Okay, and then I place properly the second number. 2 for the ones, 4 for the tens, and 5 for the hundred. Great. Now I want to start calculating. And when I start, I always start with the ones. Great. I have what? 9 plus 2. I put 9 on my head and 2 on my fingers. After 9, 10, 11. Great. Oh, it's 11. It's made of 2 digit. I cannot write in here 2 digit. Okay, so what should I do? Yes, I write the ones in here and the tens. What should I do? Ah, my friend Red, I'm happy to see you. It's been a long time. Look, Red, I have this number is made of 2 digits. I've put the ones in here and the tens. Yes, you'll take the one and throw it. Great. Now I finished the ones. Okay, let's start calculating the tens. I have 1 and 1 and 4. 1 and 1, it's 2. Great. 2 plus 4, I put 4 on my head and 2 on my fingers. After 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Great job. Now the hundreds. Okay, it's easy. 5 plus 2, I put 5 on my head and 2 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7. Great. So it's 7. Great. The answer is 761. I write here 761. Excellent, everyone. Now we will do a harder example. Ready? Let's start. I place the hundred, the tens, and the ones properly. Okay? I start with the first number, 273. I have 3 ones, 7 tens, and 2 hundreds. And then what? And then I put the plus sign, and then I place the second number properly. I have 2 ones, 3 tens, and 100. Great. Now I want to start calculating. When I calculate, I always start with the ones. Great. I have 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. I put 3 on my head and 2 on my fingers. After 3, 4, 5. Excellent. So the answer is 5. Now what? Now let's calculate the tens. I have 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. The greater is 7. I put 7 on my head and 3 on my fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10. Oh, but 10 is made of 2 digits. What should I do? I need help, right? Oh, Red, you are wearing green clothes too? Great. I'm happy to see you. Look, I have here the answer is 10 and it's made of 2 digits. What should I do? Can you continue for me? Ah, we will put the 0 in here. Okay, and then what? And then you take the 1 and it's what? Great. It's 100 because 10 tens makes 100. Okay? So thank you, Red. I will continue from here. Now we will calculate the hundreds. I have 1 plus 2. It's easy. It's 3, right? And 3 plus 1. Also it's easy. 3 and 1, it's what? It's 4. Great. So the answer is 405. Okay? Great job, everyone. So to sum up, if I have to set up and perform 3-digit numbers made of ones, tens, and hundred, if the answer of the ones is a 2-digit number, the second one is given to the tens. How? By with the help of red. Great. Yes, with the help of red. If the answer of the tens is made of 2 digits, the extra number is given to the hundred. Great. and red wearing the green clothes will help us. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching and goodbye.